So my relationship with Josh Shecker has been long lasting. Like, we've been friends since freshman year in high school, and we were just riding buddies. And then that quickly kind of turned into, well, I'm going racing. And he was such an instrumental part of my success because I felt like I had somebody who I could confide in as a friend and as a mechanic and as somebody who knew my tendencies. Just stoked to have Josh back in the fray. I made the call.
I'm excited about this. It seems really fun, but I wish I was doing this a month ago, so I'd feel a little better about this new bike. Because Colton just called me last week and asked me if I want to go to the races with him.
Being a dad now, having my dad there, it's a bit of a thank you. I really want him there, but it's also a bit of a thank you. Like thanks for allowing me to have this opportunity, and I want you to be a part of it if it's my last.
Not only that, but you got to remember, you're not even going to hear your bike. You're going to do all this on feel. You got bikes on either side of you going wide open. You got to be able to do this not hearing a thing. There's a certain satisfaction with putting together his own deal. You know, he raced Kawasaki's when he was a kid. He has a affinity to green bikes, and he's gone back to it. You know, he jumped on that stock Kawasaki, 6 months ago or more. Rode it around like, oh, I can race this thing. It's good. And that kind of changed the dynamics. It's kind of like, yeah, let's put some stuff together and see what happens.
The work is a lot more, and it's a lot more stress, and I got a lot more going on outside of dirt bike racing than I've ever had. The balancing act is pretty fun. It's like, is this all gonna go good, or is it all gonna blow up my face? The chance of it all blowing up is kind of the most thrilling part. All right. Yep. Today was started off good, but we switched a lot of things, and in the end it was like, is there comfort here, is there not comfort here, what are we doing, what are we getting to, kind of circling. And then, like, 5 days before a race, it's kind of like, what are we doing? We might have figured something out. We'll find out tomorrow. I think we were second fast in that practice I don't even think, the line I did was good, but I didn't really hit it that good. So I think we definitely have more, and we know what it's doing now. And I made an adjustment to the shock the last lap that I didn't do a fast lap on, but I was like, that was definitely better. So I think we're there. We just gotta mentally put it together.
I thought it looked really good. I think the bike changes for him under a race simulation. Having the whole field out there is definitely our first proper shakedown. I think his intensity goes up, and so his riding style changes a little bit. So all we're doing right now is just changing gearing a little bit, minor couple of clicks on the suspension, nothing too major.
Just shooting the shit with my old buddy Cody Webb here.
What year are we, 2025?
17 years for me.
Yeah, 16 or 15 probably for me.
It's 18 really. The first year I did was 2007, so. I mean, the first year you did was 2007 too.
2007 for me.
You're like Graham. This guy's like the future Graham right here.
Just wait, I'm gonna look pretty rough in 10 years.
Yeah, he's gonna be rolling around his roller on his back, his ball everywhere he goes. I don't think I can stick around that long.
I have a couple more, but
I've seen the other side a few times more than Cody though, so.
Yeah, I used to work steam clean heavy equipment. That wasn't fun. I guess I have my engineering degree, but that doesn't sound fun either.
Well, try sitting in the office and getting yelled at by people.
That's definitely not fun. No wonder why you're here.
Find the rhythm and click off the laps. That's all you can do. Hope for the good start. I mean, he had a really nice jump on the first race. Says he had a little wheel spin once his back tire hit the gate, and that seemed to be the opportunity Johnny needed to get back ahead of him. And then last time, starting behind Max, Colton wasn't really ready for it. Max lurched a little early. So, just got to try and get in that best position you can to salvage that podium tonight, because the guys in 1-2 are going to be quite a few points ahead of him at this point, but he can still pull off that third.
How's it taste, first off?
Well,
Tastes like fourth place.
fourth place, but fourth place this time doesn't feel so bad. I got some stuff to work on. Bike was a little here and there, but ultimately I didn't hit the ground, which is a positive. I wasn't crazy fast, but I think I was probably second fastest, I would say, realistically. Second to third, I was in the mix. But bad starts kind of got me, so I just was in bad positions. First moto was just swamped out and wet, and so I just kind of took my time, and I was pretty much all over third and second place, but I just couldn't find a way around. Second race, terrible start, way back. Ping-ponged around, finally got going, got to sixth. And then the last race, spun off the gate, and came around the first or second turn like mid-pack at best, and charged back up to third. So, I mean, I've always told myself, if I get fourth or first or last, as long as I'm happy the way I rode, I can hang my hat on that. And that's kind of how this went. Like, it's nothing to write home about. It'd be nice to be on the podium, but I think I rode pretty well. So we're good. Fourth place beer. Not bad for a real estate dad. Not bad at all. I want to see all these other punks. The guys that beat me, the three dudes that beat me don't have a day job. They're factory sponsored. They don't have kids. I don't want to list a bunch of excuses. I love all my other stuff going on. However, I just want everyone to know that there's a difference here.